Yeah, hi, good morning everyone. This is Rajesh Palvia from the technical desk. I just take you through the Nifty as well as the USD/INR technical view for the day. In the last trading session, Nifty opened with a negative gap, and throughout the day we have seen the consolidation action in the market. But in the last hour, we have seen that Nifty has shown some sort of buying interest at the lower level, and Nifty pulled up and closed near to the day high. Nifty lost around 59 points compared to the previous trading session and closed at 81110 level. So Nifty has given the breakdown of 8150 level on the closing basis, which is negative development on the near term chart front. Even if you look at the chart pattern, the Nifty has formed a small bullish candle with the either side shadow, suggesting that there is an indecisiveness amongst the participants. So yesterday's high and low is very important for today's trade. If Nifty crosses the previous day high, then we'll see furthermore upside and pullback action to continue, and Nifty can scale up in the range of 8160 8180 on the higher side. If Nifty breaks the previous day low 8060 level, then it can go down further from this level, and 8010 or 7980 level can be seen on the lower side. However, if we look at the Nifty is continuously forming higher high low formation on the daily chart as well as on the weekly chart, which is sign of bullishness on the near term basis. So our preferred strategy is one can go long and near to the support area of the Nifty, and even on the stocks front also one can be on the long side whenever the stocks corrects and comes near to the support area. Nifty is continuously holding its 20-day, 50-day as well as 100-day moving average, which is sign of positivity on the short to medium term trend perspective, and trend is continues to remain on the positive side. Indicators, the daily indicators has turned negative, which is a cause of concern for near term trend, and we'll see for any kind of pullback action or for any kind of upside momentum will meet to the supply pressure, and Nifty will trade in range of around 8000 to 8250. This could be the broad range we can see in the Nifty for coming trading sessions. For the day, 8100 is the important level to watch for. If Nifty crosses and hold this level, then on the higher side 8135, 8160 could act as a resistance area for intraday basis. If Nifty breaks below 8100 level, then it may correct up to the range of 8075, 8040 are the intraday range for corrective action. Positive bias stocks for the day are Hindalco, ACC, IGL, India Cement and Reliance. Negative bias stocks for the day are Eicher Motor, Tata Steel and Raymond's. Now moving to the USD/INR view. In the last trading session, USD/INR opened on a positive note, and throughout the session we have seen the buying interest was there in the USD/INR. USD/INR managed to give the breakout of 67.15 level on the closing basis, which is a positive sign on the USD/INR for near term trend, and USD/INR may scale up further higher from this level, and if it continues to hold 67.15 level, then we may see USD/INR to move for 67.40 67.50 in near term basis. If USD/INR breaks below 67.15 level, then it may correct up to the level of 67.05 66.90, which is the important support area for any kind of minor corrective action. Looking at the chart pattern, USD/INR continuously forming higher top higher bottom formation on the daily chart, which is sign of positivity on the near term trend. The indicators are also in the positive territory, suggesting that we'll see furthermore upside in coming trading session for the USD/INR. Thank you.